Hello food lovers, today I have for you a hearty and nutrient-packed salad recipe. Now this is super tasty and will leave you feel energized. Also, the colors in the salad are just so beautiful. It's a perfect salad to impress your guests. So let's get started. I'll start by washing half a cup of quinoa. It's really important that you wash it. This will get rid of the bitterness and all the impurities from it. Drain it well and then transfer it to a small pot. Add 3/4 cup of water to it. Turn the heat to high and cover it and bring it to a rigorous boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and cook it for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. It looks nicely cooked. Turn off the heat and fluff it with a fork. And set it aside uncovered to cool down. Moving on, to a pan add 1 cup of carrots cut into small pieces. 1 cup of beets also cut into small pieces. 1 teaspoon of oil and 1/4 cup of water. Turn on the heat to high and bring the water to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and then cover and cook it for about 8 minutes. Now we want the carrots and beets to be slightly cooked. We still want them crunchy. Also cut them roughly of the same size so that it cooks evenly. It's been 8 minutes. This looks good. If you notice, there is still some water in the bottom of the pan. So turn the heat to high and cook out the excess water. It will take about a minute. So all the water is gone. Turn off the heat and set it aside uncovered for it to cool down. Now let's make the salad dressing. To a small bowl, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lemon or lime juice. White vinegar will work as well. Salt to taste. For your reference, I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now if you don't like your food spicy, you can skip the cayenne pepper. Mix it. Now this salad is very nutrient dense, so the ingredients in the salad dressing plays a really important role. The cumin, cayenne, along with the olive oil and vinegar, not only helps with the digestion but also helps with the optimal absorption of the nutrients. Once mixed well, set it aside for later. Now what I like to do is cook the quinoa, carrots and beets and also chop the veggies in advance and chill it in the fridge so that the salad is nice and cold. The salad actually tastes really good cold, so I highly recommend you do that. Now we'll put together the salad. To a large bowl, add the cooked beets and carrots. To this add 100 grams of baby spinach, roughly about 3½ cups. Now if you don't want spinach, you can add lettuce or any mixed greens of your choice. If you notice, I've slightly chopped the baby spinach, but you don't really have to. 1 cup of chopped red onion. And add half of the salad dressing. Make sure you stir it well before you add it. Mix it. Be gentle with it. We don't want to bruise the spinach. Now add the cooked quinoa. So basically we are adding 1½ cup of firmly packed cooked quinoa, half a cup of finely chopped parsley. Now this is completely optional. If you don't have it or you don't want it, you can skip it altogether. And about 1 cup of walnuts. That is about 90 grams. Now you can use any nuts or seeds of your choice. Add the remainder of the salad dressing. Again, mix it well before you add it. Now one tip here is to add the salad dressing little at a time and taste as you go. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't remove it. And now mix the salad. Make sure not to overmix it because then the spinach will get bruised. Now once again, I highly recommend that you cook the quinoa, carrots and beets and chop the veggies in advance and chill it in the fridge. And when you're ready, add the dressing and serve it cold. This salad tastes really nice and crunchy when it's cold and will serve 3 to 4 people. Taste for seasoning. Now this is fine for me, but if you want, you can go ahead and add some salt or lemon juice. All done and ready to eat. Enjoy it with your favorite protein or any side of your choice. For the list of ingredients and their exact measurements, please see the description box below. If you like this recipe, please share it with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe.